Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today, we're going to do something. We're going to cut up a chicken for you. We're going to show you how to cut up a chicken. Save you a little bit of money, hopefully. And hopefully we can make it easy. Hopefully I hit the joints and all that. I need to do a little better job of giving some shout outs to my supporters. And so I'm going to start doing that. And today, first foremost, I got 4 of them that I want to give a shout out to. Tommy at the Gallery Backyard Barbecue, great supporter, and he's got a heck of a channel. You guys need to go check out his stuff. He's got some delicious food. I mean, delicious. Nice, simple, easy stuff. He does a really good job on his channel. Bob's Kitchen Adventures, a new channel that I just found the other day. Awesome. This guy's got a lot of stuff on his channel. Go check him out. And Dad Incredible. It's a heck of a channel. He's got his kids running around and all that. It's a good channel. Dad Incredible. Grill Metal. Go check him out. And then obviously the Smoking Bears. Lee at the Smoking Bears and Pay and Bear Cub. They do a great job on their channel. So I just wanted to give a few shout outs to people with some great channels out there that needs to support. So go check them out. They all got great videos. And don't forget, April 6th, hashtag peanut butter collab. Be there or be square. Let's cut up a chicken next. I'll cook it with Corey. Alright, we have got our chicken here. We obviously got a whole chicken. I have washed my hands. They are impeccably clean hands. So, this is how I do it. I know there's a gazillion ways, so this is how I roll. So anyway, we're going to take them over. We're going to go right in here to the joint of the wing. So right here, you go in here and you will feel it. So basically what you're we're going right through the joints, as you can see right here. Alright, so we got our wings off. And we go right in the grease between the breast and the leg there and the thigh. And you take your knife in there and you take it like so. A little pop. You'll see the bone pop out as it did right there. And then we're gonna take our leg quarter off. And we'll cut him down here shortly. But we're going to do that to the other side. Like so. So you get through the skin so you can see where you're going in here. And like so. And right here you can see where we're going to cut. You can see it right in here. So you pull that up so you know where you're going. Put your knife in here. A clean cut. I mean, you're not going through nothing. There's your other hind quarter right there. So now what we're left with is the breast, obviously, and the backbone. And there's a lot of ways to do this. This is the way I do it. So I stand him up like that, and I go right through. You'll hit your neck down here, and you will pop that through like that. Sometimes you need to do a little extra cut right there. So you got your back right here, and we got our whole breast right here. This, sometimes I'm not going to do it today, I might, but you just cut that in half, or you just whatever, use this whole thing for stock if you wish. So, alright, now we got our beautiful breast here. And there's, like I said, many ways to do this. This is the way I do it. So, you got some cartilage and bone right here that you're going to have to break through. You can do it with a regular knife. I just wanted to bring out my cleaver for once because I like it. So right here, and that should do it. That should get you right through it. And see where that separates there, and you can go through it with your knife, like so. And then you got two breast pieces. Some people will take this right now and go right down through here and make 4 breast pieces instead of 2. I'm gonna throw these on the Traeger, so I'm gonna leave those whole. And back to our hindquarters, which we got right here. All right, the big trick with these is you can go in here with your knife and get the joint, which is right there. Usually this fat right here, this little junction right here, will tell you where you need to go. So we're gonna see if that works. All right, so right here, put your knife there, right through. All right, then we got our beautiful thigh, our chicken leg, our breast. Wonderful. So we've done a good job of breaking down our chicken. So far, so good. All right, wings. Hey, you can definitely just have this wing whole. These are all jointed, so there's a joint here and a joint here. Probably this wing tip you wanna or gonna want to use with your stock. It's not a lot of meat in there, so hit the joint and he can go over there with the. So then you're left with your drumette here and your wing section here. So this is your drum, this is your the dual bone, the one with 2 bones right here. So we need to get through that. So, or leave it whole if you want. So what you want to do, you cut down and you find your joint and you go through it like so, and you have officially cut up your first chicken, or gazillion chicken if you're a big proponent of cutting up your own chickens. This will save you some money. I really think you should try, learn how to do it. So anyway, this get our other done, and I'm just going to reassemble this for you guys to see. So we got our back, we got our breast right here. Like so. Thigh, leg, and our wings. This other wing that we haven't broke down yet. But there you go. That is cutting up a chicken. And like I said, there's different ways to do it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not counting the back. So that's an 8-piece cut. So that, like I said, you can cut through the breast and you can get 4 pieces out of that if you want. Anyway, I'm gonna rub these up. These are gonna go out in the smoker. That's gonna be supper for tonight. Hey, that's how to cut up a chicken. Thanks for stopping by Cooking with Corey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you next week.